So I know you've heard from so many people about this class and the amazing teachers. What I want to really notice is the intention, is the deep awareness about the holiness of cooking and the holiness of cooking for others and for yourself, and to really treat your body as if it is a temple, and to be in the presence of other people who also want that same experience. And that is something that teachers have really brought to us, that with everything we do, there's intention. And that's beautiful because in this current day, this modern life, we all move so quickly. And to take time to settle yourself and to really feel the experience of the food and the energy and the community is really a unique experience. So I hope that you do this for yourself because you deserve it.